Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Alright, today we are going to be unboxing the May Boxycharm, the regular Boxycharm. And it is a, pretty small box today, but that does not mean that it's not packed with a bunch of goodies, which, of course we know it will be. I did see a couple spoilers on their page, as well as I did watch a couple people unbox some of my favorite YouTubers. I did watch them unbox, and yeah, so I know, not the variations, but I know, a couple variations. I don't know how many it is, but I saw like 2 different ones, for a couple products. So, whatever. I don't know which one I have because I have not opened it. I did cut the seal, but I didn't open it yet. And my intention was to do a makeup look with whatever's in here, but it did not work out that way because I am wearing a new foundation, and I wanted to go ahead and just include that in my First Impression Friday for this week. So I went ahead and filmed that and just made it a full face. So yeah, so you will see how to do this full face on Friday, this coming Friday. So I won't even get into the details. You'll see all that on Friday. So okay, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alrighty. Okay, so of course it is packaged like always, and let's see, and I do see, I didn't want to see, but I know when you open it, you have no choice but to see. But I was hoping that I got the one with the glam glow, and I'm happy that I did. But anyway, all right. So this month's theme is Make Waves, Boxycharm, and it tells you all the things in the box, of course. And for anyone who does not know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 beauty products, and it is valued at over $150 a month. And if you like the regular box, you can also upgrade to their Boxy Lux, which is 4 times a year: March, June, September, and December, and that is $28.99, and that is billed on top of the $21 that you pay for that month. So the next box is June, so they will take the $21, which would be the price for the regular month, plus they take an additional $28.99 for the month of June, and then they'll do that again in September and December. And as with any of the boxes, you can cancel whenever you want. You don't have to talk to anyone, just do it right online if you like to. All right, so let's go. The first thing I have here, or see here, is Eye Luster Cream Shadow by Ciante. I think they were mainly known for nail polish and stuff like that back in the day, but I guess they branched out. And oh, very pretty Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. I don't see a color. I don't see an actual color. Oh, Cupid. It's on the box here, Cupid. Okay, and very, very pretty. A beautiful pearly, pinky, purpley iridescentness. Let's take a look. Oh, very pretty. Oh yeah, holographic type. That's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna use this as a one and done shadow soon, because I gotta do a real quick video when I do my giveaway. I might just throw this up on the lid and be done with it. Alrighty, the next thing I see is Dose of Color Kiss of Fire Liquid Matte Lipstick. I have a few Dose of Colors already, and yeah, looks like this. Red. I don't tend to wear too much red lipstick. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm never feeling red. This looks kind of pinkish, but it looks red in the bottle, but kind of pinkish on the wand. Look at that. So I don't know. Oh, that's like is it pinky reddy? Like pinkish reddish? It's cute though. No, it's cute. This is not really red. This is not red to me. It doesn't look red. This is, I don't know. It looks red, but it also looks pink. I like it though. I'm gonna try it. I mean, stuff I get, I try. This is nice. Very, very nice. All right, I like that too. Very, very niceies. Very nicey. Let me put this stuff back in the box so I don't lose track. And the next thing is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. You can always use cleanser. After those cleansing oils and cleansing balms, you can wash your face with the cleanser. This is pretty. I love this packaging. Love it. Sorry about the sniffing and maybe even sneezing or coughing. My allergies are going crazy today. And yeah, then I still got to take my son outside. But, you know, it is what it is. He wants to go. So, alright. But anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like. Very nice. This is very cute packaging. This is so cute. Can't wait to use. Well, I got other cleansers that I need to use first. But very happy with this. Yeah. I'm not going to open this yet. But yeah, I do. Because I have other cleansers that I'm using. And let's see, the next thing is this. What is this? This is a Mellow Brow Defier. Oh, definer, sorry. So I'm, you know, I'm going to go ahead and guess that it's a brow pencil or filler inner, or let me see. No, I don't want to open it because I might give it away. So I don't want to open it, but this is what it looks like, brow. I don't know what it is. And I don't want to open it because I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet for another giveaway, for a future giveaway. That was the 4th product. And let's see, the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. Oh, got some plastic on tape. All right, and it looks like this. Alamar Blush Trio Medium Tan. So we got Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. That's from left to right. Left to right. Seclusion. Well, I'm going to do it this way, so it's not going to be that way. So this one is Seclusion. This is Isla and Toasted. These are pretty. Very pretty. Well, that blush would have came in handy today when I did my little look. I like it. Very pretty. Let me see. Let me get some swatches here for you. Can you see those? All right, and I'm gonna go, let's see, right here with it, right there. Nice, nice. I'll definitely use those colors. Sorry y'all, my hands is dirty. I have to get a makeup wipe. Have to get a makeup wipe, and I don't want to stop the video. All right, so that is everything that is in the May regular Boxycharm this month. Now I did get the limited edition Boxy skincare, and that video is up now, and I will link it in the cards or the description, either one, but I will link it. And oh, you guys, I forgot to tell you all the prices. I'm so sorry. Usually I do that right after. I'm sorry. The Glam Glow Gentle Cleanser, this goes for $28. The Mellow Brow Defier right here is $18. The Alamar Colorette Blush Trio is $22. The, what is this? The Eye Luster, where is that? The Eye Luster, oh, is $22 as well. And then the Dose of Colors is $18. So yeah, that's very nice. And yeah, so that is everything, and I really appreciate you watching the video today. Thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, like the video, and comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you. Bye.